Good morning, everyone. I'm Kaye here on my homestead in Tennessee. I live on a little over 9 acres after being an urban gardener in Los Angeles for my first 8 years of my channel. Happy Earth Day. I premiered my first episode, Welcome to Late Bloomer, 5 minutes and 5 seconds long, on April 22nd, 2012. It's been a long 14 years with a lot of change in my personal life, in my location, in the world. I want to thank all the people who have supported me for 14 years, starting with my family, who indulged me tearing up a tiny little front yard and putting in hundreds of vegetables and edible fruits. It was amazing. It was an amazing garden. And then now I'm here, and I never imagined I would have so much space I never had the dream of having so much space to do all the things that I've done here. So that's been amazing. But, to do all the things that I'd like to do here, you need a lot of help, and I don't have a lot of help. So I want to especially thank besides my family, my mentors. First of all, it was John Anderson. I think that was his name. We called him Farmer Jack. Rest in peace. He was a biodynamic farmer. He made biodynamic compost. I learned about biodynamic agriculture because my son was at the Waldorf School, and Rudolf Steiner came up with the idea of biodynamic agriculture, And so, of course, that came out of Steiner, and he created the Waldorf schools. So, of course, that's something they're going to talk about, the vortex, stirring the compost in the vortex. Learned all that from him, and he's the one that said, take out everything in your front yard and put in 2 citrus trees, and surround them with nasturtium and herbs. And I did that, and I was off to the races, as you'll see if you watch my first episode. Not too long after that, I connected with Sharon Carson in Delaware, rest in peace. She left us for greener pastures last November, and she was, for 12 years probably, she was my mentor. She knew so much about medicinal plants. She had a wild and lush 5 acres in Delaware, family farm, and she was doing it alone, and she had rabbits and chickens. Of course, they had always done it, so she lost her husband and she carried on, so it wasn't like it was something new, and she was taking it on without knowing what she was doing. So she had chickens and rabbits and 2 beautiful white horses, mother and daughter, Sage and I forget the other one's name. But I have wonderful videos I did with her when I first started editing my videos. In 2016, I did a Northeast trip. I did so many trips. I visited so many people. I went to Europe. I went to the Northeast. I went to the Southeast. I went up the coast, California coast. I went all over. I went down the California coast. I went all over to try to bring interesting and beautiful gardens and inspiration to my viewers. That's always been my goal. And now I want to thank the subscribers who have been so faithful from the beginning. And I don't remember specifically who you are, except for Mark Valeroy. I know that he watched me from the very beginning and he's always been so loyal. He watches every video, and he's been such an inspiration, especially with growing onions. He got me to start growing onions from seed, and so there are so many. And of course, Jack Davis, I have to thank her because she connected with me from Arizona, Phoenix area, and there are so many edible food growers edible food, edible growers in the valley, what they call the valley, Phoenix, all of those communities. You know, they're very connected, and I would go over for a weekend, and she would have 3 or 4 interviews booked and pick me up at the airport, and then we would go do an interview, and then we'd go have a meal, and then we'd go have another interview, and the next day it would be 3 more, and I'd do her garden, and then I would come home and edit all of that. And that's what I always did, is I went on a trip, however long it was, a day, 3 weeks to Europe, and I would come home and edit all of that. So there are so many, and especially the ones that have enjoyed my journey here in Tennessee that are still watching. And I want to give a big shout out to the new 2,800 subscribers. All of a sudden, I got a bunch of new subscribers, and I want to welcome you, and I want to encourage you to go through my playlists and see what might interest you. I have done so many things. I have so many playlists. So I know you're going to find something that you will learn from and enjoy. Late Bloomer in 2017 won Best Reality Series at the Vancouver Web Fest, which was the premier Canadian Web Fest. And I got a beautiful trophy, and that was awesome. And I want to thank Suzette and all the people in Canada, in Vancouver, that made that possible. And also in Miami, my channel won an award in 2016 as Best Infotainment. So if you come to my channel, you're going to learn something. Hopefully I'll be real and make you think, and maybe make you smile. Thank you so much for your support, for everyone's support. Even if you're new, watch 5 videos today to help me celebrate my 14th anniversary. I was born on the 14th of February, and 14 is my lucky number. So I wanted to wish everyone a happy Earth Day and help me celebrate my 14th anniversary. God bless. See you next time.